Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your microphone not sounding good in Streamlabs OBS or OBS. So this is somewhat easy to fix. So what we can just do is go to add sources. So if you already have a source, it's really easy, but I'm just going to go through the steps here. So let's go to an audio input capture device and go to add source. And then you can just go to add new or existing source and add your microphone, whatever it is. And then we have the microphone selected right here, and then choose the device. So mine would be the Blue Yeti microphone. We can just select this, and then we can go on down, and let's close this. Now we're going to see our microphone on the right side, so you can see it going up and down. Typically, when I'm speaking, I want it right in the middle of this yellow section, and I only speak maybe like 6 to 7 inches away from my microphone, so right in this yellow section. So if you're not quite getting there, the audio might be a little bit too low. So we can always go to filters and we can add a gain, or we could try sliding it back and forth right here. But you can see it doesn't get up high enough for the amount we want. Now, sometimes on your microphone, you might have some options on the back where your gain and other things are just located on it. So if I look behind my microphone, I got gain. Now, sometimes you're maxing out the gain on your microphone and it just sounds like crap. You should lower the gain to maybe like 25% on your actual microphone and then increase the gain with the software. And that seems like it sounds a lot better. So let's go to my microphone and right click on it and go to filters. And let's go to edit filters, add a filter. And the first option is gain. So I have 25% on my microphone, just with the little the dial I can turn left or right. And I'm just going to increase the gain with the software, maybe to like 8 point, well, let's try 10. And then we can go back to this and see if this gets up loud enough. It really doesn't. So we might have to increase that a little bit more. So let's go back to edit and go to filters and then just increase this until we got a good option. So we can see it going up in the back right here. So we can just set it a little bit higher and then adjust it in here. Because sometimes this changes with updates. It gets really annoying. So we got to come back into the filters and redo the filters. So let's go to add another filter. One filter I really like is noise suppression. So you can adjust the level of suppression. For me, the default is usually good. And this will reduce background noise. Another one I really like to add is the noise gate. This will get rid of the lower end sounds to like your little mouse and keyboard clicks, and you can adjust the close threshold and the open threshold and the attack time, the hold time, release time, if you don't want to hear your keyboard clicks at all. If you got a mechanical keyboard, you're probably not going to get rid of that because the clicks are just so loud, but try changing some of these settings. And then another thing I really like is the compressor. This makes it sound like you're on a radio talk show. So we can just go to this. And the default is usually pretty good for me. So this will kind of get rid of those high-end sounds and those low-end sounds and kind of equalize them. So it's not so loud for people or it's not too soft. So those are the settings for the filters I like. Then we can just come in here and we can adjust it. So typically I try to speak maybe right in the middle of this yellow section. If you go into the red section, it's going to be way distorted. And it's not going to sound good at all. So pay attention to the options actually on the physical mic. Sometimes in the past, that has caused me a lot of issues. I don't even realize I turned the gain or something like that, and it just sounds super distorted. So lower the gain on the actual microphone, and then try out different settings. I have different angles on my Blue Yeti. Some of those angles I get just sound very terrible. Maybe you have only the back of the microphone turned on, and you're speaking in front of it, so it just sounds terrible. Switch those little options so you have the microphone that's recording actually where your voice is, if that makes any sense. So you got a bunch of different options on your Blue Yeti microphone. Make sure you're recording where you're actually speaking. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.